Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and help you with your blinking screen on your PlayStation 5 when you're trying to access safe mode. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I have this issue right now on my screen where it keeps blinking this gray or white screen when I'm trying to access safe mode so I can go ahead and reset my PlayStation 5, rebuild the database, etc. How would I go ahead and fix this? Well, the first thing we should do is turn off our PlayStation 5 by holding down the power button. And after that, we are going to have to go ahead and rearrange our cables, maybe flip the cables around so the one that's in the TV should go to the PlayStation 5 and the PlayStation 5 one should go to the TV. So after trying this, start your PlayStation 5 up like normal. So just press the power button once and the blinking blue light should appear now. So with our PlayStation 5 starting up like normal, there's one option we want to make sure that is checked marked. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, go up to Settings. Now scroll down to System and select this option. Then go down to HDMI and go down to Enable HDCP. And if you turn this off, settings, some games and apps can't be used, so let's turn it on. So now that we have HDCP on, let's go ahead and turn off our PlayStation 5. I'm going to press the PlayStation button and then go over to power and turn off my PlayStation 5 completely. Don't go to rest mode. We're going to relaunch this into safe mode. Alright, so my PlayStation 5 is completely turned off. Let's go ahead and hold down the power button. And then I'll hear one beep. And then I should hear two beeps about 6 or 7 seconds later. And this will launch it back into safe mode. So I heard that second beep. Let's let go. Blinking blue lights are on. And now I can connect my controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button. And that screen no longer displays that is flashing white or gray or whatever color. So this is how you get around that problem. Just turn on HDCP and you should be good to go, and you will stop that blinking light on your PlayStation 5. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.